Okay, so this is part 2 of 2, and it has been 10 minutes for this. And if you haven't seen part 1, get off this video, go see part 1 because I don't want to have any spoilers for you guys. Okay, now that all the people who have not watched part 1 have gone, so now what we've got to do is open the lid and use the unicorn spoon to remove the slime from the bottom. Okay, looks kind of like a jelly paste, kind of. Where did I set it though? Okay, so tear open the unicorn magic packet, and we have to put it in our palms, so. Whoa. I'm just gonna scoop it out like this. There we go. Okay, now we have to tear open the unicorn packet. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. Now I have to fold it over. Surprisingly, it's really nice. We have to blend it through. It's the unicorn powder stuff. It's shimmery, kind of like highlighter. Stuff like that. Okay, next step is I want to keep it in this though. I don't want to keep it in my backpack. I'm thoroughly mixing it all together. It does get on your hands though. So when you get that, be really careful and just set it on the table then. It doesn't stick to your clothes though. That's actually really nice. Because if you have little ones or like little family and you don't want them getting it all over their clothes, or you don't even want them to like mess with it, but if they do, then like you're prepared and stuff like that. Oh, but whenever I opened it, it had like bubbles, so pretty cool, I guess. I like it though. Now, I never knew these about Pipsies because I've had some before, and this is really cool. I want to see if it's like butterscotch. I'm gonna make a little mini swirl. It's not butter slime, but that was fun. Whoops. No, we don't need that. So I'm gonna get the rest of this stuff out. But first, I'm gonna spread it out. Okay, all right. There's a lot more in there. So it's gonna be a lot more shinier. Okay, so that. I wonder if this is like highlighter for your face, but like for slime. I don't know where they got their stuff, but it's really cool. It's like blue metallic. I like it. You never know the colors of these. I don't want to put it in this, but I'm gonna. Because, like, that's pretty cute. Like, what am I going to do with this? Look how cute that is. You just open up your hold and press it down with your spoon. You're supposed to open it like this and get it all out, but it wasn't as fluffy as this, so, yeah. Alright. I'm going to do this. Okay. Well, there's more in there. How much is in this packet? This does take a long time, but it's kind of worth it, so. Number one, you get a cute little keychain, and you get a little cute little thing that goes with it. Some of them have straws, except this one's like for camping, so it doesn't have a straw. I could drink out of that, but I'm not because there's chemicals in it. So, but that's cute. That's actually really cute. Look how shiny that got. I'm gonna do this real quick. Okay, so Bob, they give us a spoon if they know we're not gonna use it a whole lot. And fragrance. And making like poop so I can scoop it. It sounds weird, but it sounds kind of fun to me. Alright, I'm gonna just put this in its little container. Got that. Okay, now I'm gonna try to press that in there. That's funny. Maybe that 1 ounce wasn't needed. But then, yeah, well, this doesn't go, so. Mold. Come on. That's what it looks like, so. All in a big bowl. Yeah, there we go. So then once it's done, okay, so open. So tip, mix in a scent if desired, and it's desired. So we're gonna mix in some scent. This has like a tip, so we're gonna use the tips. I'm gonna put like a couple more squirts of this stuff. Then I've got some more secret scent. I'm gonna add the rest of it. There we go. Smells pretty nice though. Well, coming in a little bit, and then ended up adding the whole stuff. But hey, it smells nice. Oh my gosh, it smells kind of like stuff you use in the restroom, like this stuff. Although it's not loud. See if that made it smaller. Okay, so I'm gonna change it. I don't really like this, but I'll still hook it on my backpack, you know. Yeah. So this. I'm having too much fun with that. Mixing the rest of the scent. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells so familiar to me. Because it smells really familiar. It smells like tropical a little bit, but kind of piney woods. I know what that was. That's what this scent is. It smells really good, like pine trees. That's nice. Okay. So, try to get that out. Yeah, that's what it is. It's pine woods, but it smells really nice. Put it in my hands. Looks a little bit different. It looks a lot different. More different. It looks different in real life, not on the camera. Not like picking it up. Alright. I think this, because of how nice it is and the slime came out kind of nice, I'm gonna rate this one 10 out of 10. Okay? It's not over a 10 though. I would have given it a million out of 10. But the only thing is that, like, some of it doesn't fit in there, and what am I gonna do with it? So this will just go in my backpack empty, and also it can fall through. So I actually, instead of a 10 out of 10, a 9 out of 10. Yeah, that's pretty reasonable. But this smells so good. Oh my god. it smells so good. It smells so good. And I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I rate this 9 out of 10. I would recommend it. It's nice for your kids and it's Zoe approved. Bye.